Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? It is about to be the 21st of December of 2022. And we're drinking again. Today we're having Rourke Brewing Company's French Toast Oatmeal Stout, which is one of my favorites. I really love this beer. It tastes a lot like French toast. Which is odd that they were able to capture that. But it's real good. Anyway, welcome back. Good to see you all again. We're here for AOC Day 21. I believe I am all but mathematically eliminated from getting global leaderboard, which is the way things go. Oh, my Pokemon's still running. Oh well, I guess we can just watch the Pokemon still run. Well, I could still get there. Be really hard though. I only have 200 points. I would need to get 300, probably 400 points. And there are 5 days remaining, so I don't think we're going to be getting there this year. But that's fine. You know, we're gonna handle a little more chill. Wolford was first today. Hello, hello. Grundavir is also here. How you doing? Python NNN. Good to see you again. Valgadari. Hello, hello. Eric's also here. I do love French toast. Yeah, French toast is so good. There's this place in northern Michigan. I think it's called River's Edge in Indian River, Michigan. Yeah, Wilson's River's Edge restaurant. They have this French toast that's, oh, it's so good. It's so good. And then I tried to make it at home. Turns out I can make it at home too. So, it's called, what do they call it? I think they call it Nutty Camper's Toast. And the idea is you take French toast and then you dip it in pancake batter. But it has to be like really runny pancake batter. And then you slap nuts on it. And then you grill it again. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Wilson's River's Edge Restaurant's food sentence. Yeah. Thanks for Jake. Hello, hello. Choco's also here. How you doing, Choco? I'm also drinking Choco. You have inspired me. I'm good. I'm drinking. You're drinking too. Oh, there we go. Chingampa says Bourbon French toast. Bourbon French toast. Bourbon French toast is pretty good too. Are you the bad influence? World may never know. All right, let me get things set up so at least I can chit chat without worrying about the start time. Day 00, day 21. I'm gonna make a wild prediction that today is a Game of Life problem. There's got to be one, right? There's always got to be one. Although I don't know if we had one last year. I don't know. I really like the Game of Life problems, especially because I think I'm really good at them. Day 21, part 2. We're running out of days for Game of Life, right? I think that's precisely how it went last year. Tetris one was a Game of Life problem? No, it was a Tetris problem. Those are different things. I don't even know how I would search for the way that I approach these. I can picture the structure of the code in my head, but I don't know what I would name the variables. Miguel says, I'm new watching your streams. Could you tell me what you're working on right now? Yes. If you do bang today, you can always find out what I am working on at the moment. And if if you would have said, what are you working on, instead of what are you working in, then the bot would have answered you automatically, because it's smart that way. So if you say, like, what are you working on? It'll tell you. Because it's got a little bit of really shitty AI. AKA regular expressions. No. I trained my code model, and it happens to have some very regular. I've been looking forward to tonight's puzzle for months. Oh, ooh, might be another fun one. I was thinking about it this morning, and some of the puzzles Eric puts in an absurd amount of work for. Like I was thinking back to, was it this year? No, I think it was 2019. Yeah. Was it this one? I have time to set this up, right? Yeah. Yes. Christian, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, also, let me replay a donation that happened offline. So we're gonna put a little Easter egg into our solution today. Is TTS gonna do it? Yeah. Wait, how did this work? Curses, 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 curses. How does it work whether it's curses or not? Maybe it just always does it. Environ mode equals normal manual fast. Mode equals normal. Oh, this was before I had it default the input file. So this was one of the puzzles a few years back. Eric spends so much time on these. It's really impressive. Picture Jack says, even making the sample pass, but then coming up with so many cases to make your actual input differ seems so difficult. Yeah. Do the puzzles of the story come first? I imagine the puzzles come first, and then the story is built after. Yeah, puzzles come first. Wilfred says, one of my coworkers got fired for blowing on someone's neck. I mean, I can see that. That could very easily be construed as sexual harassment. I've, you know, seen people fired for less and deserved it by all means. In fact, as I rearrange the puzzles due to difficulty adjustments, the story sometimes changes dramatically. Encode took so long because I built the tool chain and then I had to write every encode puzzle in assembly. Yeah. There's also fast mode for this so that I don't have to wait as long as it plays out the game. Takes a while to get the last one if I remember correctly. Boop. And of course, you didn't have to write a curses thing for it. I wrote that because I thought it would look cool. I've also handcrafted some int code, although it doesn't adhere to the either intcode fizzbuzz or fizzbuzz intcode. I can't remember which one it is. I could probably rename the repo back and forth, and then I wouldn't have to remember it. But I also wrote out some fizzbuzz in int code because I thought it would be funny. Yeah, so little trick on GitHub. Oh, I can't do it while it's archived. If you rename a repo and then rename it back, now you don't have to remember which order it is in the in the browser, or yeah, when you're going to it, because the redirect will happen for you. But I also wrote I wrote fizzbuzz in int code because I thought it would be funny. But first I wrote it in first I wrote it in like dumbed down Python because I knew like I'm not gonna be able to get division. And I'm gonna have to write my own print function for numbers. This is printing an integer. Yeah, it only works for positive numbers. And then this is my dumbed down Python int code, and then I translated it to int code assembly. I just stored all my variables as globals. This is my int code assembly, and then this is the actual code for it. I don't know, it was fun. I like int code. I think it's cool. I'm mostly partly excited for tonight because it has the stupidest joke and it makes me laugh so hard. Oh no. Epsilon, hello, hello. Wilfred says, pre-commit was a busybody this morning. I'm not sure I understand what you're talking about. But sure, yes. Epsilon's disappearing to do with their own AOC. Sounds good, sounds good. Good luck to you. Good luck on your solve. I'm hoping to have fun with mine. And if Eric's excited about the problem, I'm excited too. That usually means it's one of the good ones. It's one of the ones that we remember. Or it's one of the ones that we're like, damn you, Eric! Why did you make flippable puzzle pieces? Although that problem was kind of cool. The Dargans problem. I still think about that problem all the time. Queue is longer than normal. Figured traffic was high. Oh, I'm pre-commit CI. Yeah, that happens sometimes. It does auto scale, but if it's a whole bunch of activity in your own account, yeah, you're gonna sit in line behind yourself, because that's just how it goes. Kavera says, I'm so noob in Python, but I did a bot in a game that I play. I have a question. I'm going to try to explain. Well, you got 3 minutes to explain before I'm gonna ignore chat for a bit. Grandma's iPad says it's a weekday. I mean, I've got weekends until the 2nd of January. Every day is a weekend until the 2nd of January. Linge is also here. Also, our word of wisdom from Morsha is to UDP your questions rather than TCP. Oh, signal message. I have not done yet. Oh, we'll reply to that later. Not till January 9th. Nice. Just excited to play Skyrim for 3 weeks straight. Oh my god, that was me in 2012, I want to say. I got Skyrim for Christmas, and that's all I did. That's like all I did for like 3 weeks. I was sleeping like 3 hours a night. Installed a mod list yesterday and played for 11 hours. Damn. Yeah, I have a little bit, just a tad bit of an obsessive personality. Which is why I'm terrified of when games come out that look really interesting to me. Like I've tried so hard to not play the Dwarf Fortress final version. But oof. Big gamer, I'm not proud of that. I need to take a day off. I haven't taken it off in 6 months. Yeah, do it. Okay, you're unfortunately out of time, Kavira. But when I'm done solving, maybe you can ask your question again, or someone else in chat can help you. I don't know. Airbounce is here and is muting. Have fun. Good luck. Out of Excel does that to me real bad. Yeah, there's also like what's the chemistry one? The worst is some of these games I've tempted myself and I've purchased them on Steam and just haven't played them yet. That's the worst part. That's when you're really that's when you're really tempting fate. 2 1 0 refresh. Oh. Oh, eval? This looks like instructions and labels. 152. Or this is one that we have to. Each line contains the name of a monkey, a colon, and then the job of that monkey. The lone number means the monkey's job is simply to yell that number. This is spreadsheet, maybe. This is topological sort and spreadsheet. Your actual simulation involves considerably more monkeys. Yeah, okay. So this is topological sort and the way I'm going to approach it is a recursive solution with caching. Yes. Okay, so for line in s.split lines, we're gonna have a bunch of different operators. Looks like plus minus star and slash. If plus inline, I think there can only be 2 operators. How am I gonna do this? Let's just parse everything first. Ops equals a dictionary. Of string to probably just union. Probably just union. Okay, if plus inline, then named rest equals line dot split colon space ops name equals if line dot split dot if len line dot split is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 these are supposed to be a map. On the map, on the map, on the map. Sub operator.div operator.mul import operator. Okay. Is equal to ops op 1 op 2. Otherwise, this is not how this split works. I should have used partition. This is a dict_str int or tuple. Callable int. I hate that I can't do that. Stir. Okay, so then we need to make a oh fuck, I've got a parenthesis problem somewhere. I think it's here. Name stir to int. Val equals ops name. If val if is instance val int. Return val. Otherwise return. Otherwise function left right equals val return function value left value right and then return value root. Should run enter. Valid syntax. Agreed? Shit, what is division? I don't fucking remember, so we're going to just do lambda a b a divided by b. Because I don't fucking remember. And gotta go fast. Ugh, integer divide. Let's go! Oh, that's not how we open up files. Alright, on to part 2. Correct operation for monkey root should be equals. But now checks that the two numbers match. You have the wrong monkey for the job starting with It isn't a monkey, it's you! We need to figure out what to yell to get the equality check. Got it. Okay. We're gonna use Z3 for this. We're gonna use Z3 for this. Oh fuck. Okay. Let's see. If line that starts with continue. Elif line equal elif line that starts with root. Those are equal. Elif, then O dot add op1. Oh fuck, how am I gonna do this? Let's see. I gotta figure out what the operator is for division. Actually, no, I don't. We can just do this. Lambda a b a star b. O dot add. In O dot add int name is equal to int op1 int op2. Otherwise, it should be an O dot add int name is equal to interest. I have parentheses fuck up somewhere. I think it's here. Dot model dot as long. Oh no, stop this. Maybe Z3 doesn't understand div mod. Oh shit, yeah, no. I don't know why I put PDB on the end there. 0. I don't see a root in here at all. So this is weird. Oh. Because of that. Weird, usually Z3 is much faster than this. Does this mean we're gonna have to actually figure this out? Also, it's gonna hit my breakpoint. We're gonna have to actually figure this out. Why is it only using half a CPU? Okay, let's actually figure it out then. Why is it having such struggles? I think that's fine though. We can just expand out what A and B is, substitute all the constants, and slowly evaluate our way down. And we should end up with a math expression on both sides, in theory. This is weird to me though. Oh, you know what? It's because I have the breakpoint. Never mind, Z3 is probably fine. It was waiting at the breakpoint. Okay. That's stupid of me. Oh, I got points! Yo, let's go! How many more points would I have gotten if I wouldn't have been dumb? Just a few. Just a few. Bug. Let's go! Right, Tofu? Let's go! True div and floor div. Ah. Right. Yeah. Good old Python 3. Larry, hello, hello. I assume you got points, so you always get points. Yeah. You got points on both parts. GG. GG. The Pokemons are helping with this puzzle? Yeah. Reading while advent of coding, pro multitasker? Indeed, indeed. What is today but yesterday is tomorrow, says Mr. Krabs. Interesting. Interesting. What is division? Not something you want to hear, right? Kenny Jarrett says, I'm dying to get a job that doesn't involve me selling my ass to employers. Walker Codes, hello, hello. Hi, Kanav, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. We got to make a prediction. It's all good. It's all good. People would have lost points anyway. I used left as a variable in two places. Well, I made some stupid mistakes like string A and string B instead of the values that I computed here. And Pyflex would have helped me, except that unused unpacked variables are explicitly ignored in Pyflex, which is a little annoying, but Brett, you and I were 5 seconds apart. Nice. All right, should we do this not in Z3? I didn't think about this way to do it. Oh, how did you do it? I just cheesed it with Z3. You should do it not in Z3. It's fun. Okay. Okay. I actually don't think this is that hard. It's really just computing expressions. Yeah, it's really just simplifying expressions. So let me commit what I have so far, and then we'll work on it in not Z3. The timing really doesn't make any sense anymore because it's PyPy. So it's a lot of the time is startup time. Hint is I used left as a variable in 2 places. Oh. Okay. Oh, and we still have the Easter egg. We have to put Alexandra, please stop cheating into our output. I'll probably print it to standard error. What is Z3? In short, Z3 is magic. Oh, is bot dead? Oh no, there we go. Watch that video. I think it is a better explanation of what Z3 is than me just trying to re-explain it. But it is a theorem. It is a theorem prover. You describe a problem to it, and it spits out whether it's possible, and then the answer. Z2. How you doing, Qualsy? Okay, well, actually, let's put part 1 in the reamd, and then we'll do part 2 after we get the oh shit, I never put day 20 in there. Well, we'll leave that alone then. Day 21. Functools operator callable. Yeah, we never used that, did we? Git add the shoe. I don't know that I'm fast enough in Z3. I mean, I was fast enough to get points. The fuck? Oh, file change on disk. Damn. Functools operator callable. Okay. So we will do file equals sys.standard_error. And we'll also print Alexandra, please stop cheating. As promised. Wow, they donated $10. I'll put shit in my code for $10. Easy. And this one we want to not go to standard error. And we will name this one compute Z3. We will call compute Z3. We will make our own compute. Shake NFPS. Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Oh, you personally? Fair, fair. This song is a jam and a half. I will link it in chat because it's such a jam. I think I actually do want this for part 2. But we're actually gonna bring this shit back. Bring it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time. Albana Dog says, hello, how is your day going? Can I ask you something? I'm 26 and like data, but I didn't go to college. I think it's too late to start programming. And should I start with Python? Good question. You're never too old to start programming. My brother started, he was a music major and got a master's degree in music, in fact, and couldn't find a job. And I taught him a little bit of stuff. And then he took a coding boot camp, and now he is on his 2nd job. And he started at 28, 27, somewhere around there. So you're never too old. You're never too old. From typing import callable. Okay, so we are going to put this in here. And humana will be our variable. Can I be your stepsister? Help me, Anthony. I'm stuck with code uwu. Sure, Qualsy, you can be my stepsister. Are we winning? Oh no, it's a Z3 day. I can do this without Z3. I just thought I would solve it faster with Z3. No, it's okay. We're making him. Eric is making me go back and do it properly. Okay, cool. Arabon's got 1, 2, 3, 2, 14. Yo, look at this shit. Look at this shit. I got points. Let's go. I may or may not have manually binary searched it. Whoops. Is it intentional that it's binary searchable? Oh god, what have I gotten to? Oh. So what you did is you slammed numbers into it until it was right. Oh god. I think I'm gonna work out the system of equations. Because that sounds more fun. Yes, that sounds more fun. Assert root left is not none. And root right is not none. I don't know if MyPy's gonna understand that, but hopefully it does. It's fun to solve it as if it's an equation, so I hope people go back and try that. That's what I'm gonna try and do. And just see how gnarly it is. Okay, we're gonna have 3 types. Class variable. Class expert. I'm pretty sure I've done this in something else before. May make this a pain in the ass. Which may make this a pain in the ass. Blah. Yeah, this may be a big pain in the butt. We're gonna see what we can do here. We are going to see what we can do here. Break a point. What else do we have? What else do we have? We have sub self other object to expert break a point. Is the operator actually called floor div? Div mod. Floor div. Floor div. Amumium, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Finicami, how you doing? Marsha's also here. Hello. Bongo points, indeed. I have been singing Paramore all day today. Just thought you should know that, chat. Alright. LRU clash. Def value. Vector to int or var or expr if s is equal to hubn. Humana. Return var. Humana. Elif. Good yoke, Larry on why. That is like an extremely narrow set of people that would think that's funny, and they're probably in this chat right now. Kilbree, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Didn't you advocate against using LRU cache in one of your videos, or was a specific use case? Specifically LRU caching of methods. LRU cache is fine, but it's methods that are bad. What am I doing? Elif is instant. How did I do this before? Val equals ops dot get ops bracket s. If is instance val int return val. Otherwise, return. Otherwise, op LHS RHS equals val. Return op LHS. This is gonna suck. Not part one. Yeah, I think this one's pretty easy in Z3, Larry. You got sub. Self is Hapuna. Other is 3. I hope there's not too many divisions, because I don't want to deal with fractions. Oh, and I hope there's not too many multiplications, because I don't want to deal with quadratics. I'm gonna do this. I think this is just gonna build us a tree. Which maybe not helpful. Let's see what we get. Oh, we have to do our version of these. This is commutative, as is this. These ones are not. Return. Oh, I think it's because I don't define them up here. Maybe I don't need these. Maybe I don't need these. This is where shit gets tricky. What do you mean? How the fuck did we end up like this? This means that two expers got added together, but in like a weird fucking way. They should have never done that because they should have gone through my functions here. Why did it call tuple.add? In place add. Yeah, what the fuck? I have radd. Why? Why is it not using my ad? I am way bamboozled here. Why did it use tuple add? This is a bug in Python, maybe? Might be a specialization and that's why it's not working. See, this goes to breakpoint fine. What about this? What the fuck? I'm confused. Yeah, so we very clearly had two expressions here. that got plussed together. So let's breakpoint here, I guess. So we want to breakpoint in the deepest part. And then we can go up and find the thing. We can just PB to get to that. A equals 4, B equals thing. Yeah, so that's fucked. This shouldn't be possible. We should have never gotten a plain tuple here. What am I doing wrong? We can do this. To give us an expr or an integer. Should I have given these names? Star. Oh, it's this. Because you can multiply tuples. Okay, so that one is at least easy to just distribute the multiplication. I'm hoping that all of these are just integer. I don't want to have to make higher order expressions. Oh, multiplication doesn't distribute across addition. Hmm. Finally learned and installed Z3 after today's puzzle. Yeah, I'm starting to reevaluate my decision to try this one without Z3. Because I don't actually want to build an expression tree. Maybe I'll just build a textual representation of the expression tree and then do the math manually. That feels less cheating. So, fuck all this noise. Oh, almost deleted that. That would have not been great. Fuck all this noise. Is binary search cheating? I wouldn't feel right if that was my solution. But it is apparently a valid solution to this problem today. Which tells me that the answer eventually is a linear equation. It's only cheating if your goal is to learn how to do this without binary search. Yeah. This is actually going to be stir. Wee-woo! Let's go! Hello. How you doing? I got points today! Yay! Because I'm fast at typing out Z3. Woo! Oh. I guess we can say stir or int. We'll do a little simplification here. Oh, we gotta stick them into the dictionary, right? Stir. Alright, let's see what we get here now. Music's very calming. That's it's chill / ambient copyright free music that still gets my videos claimed. Okay, so this makes a very easy expression. Which we can just do maths. Alright, so we would add or subtract 4. We have 146. That we... Oh, I gotta put parentheses around things, probably. Uh, 4 plus, okay, times 4, 600. Minus 4 is 596. Divided by 2 is 248. Plus 3 is 251. 301. 150 times 4, 600. Minus 4, 596. Divided by 2. What? Am I sucking at mental math? Under parentheses useless. Oh, 150 times 4 is 600, yeah. And then subtract 4, 596. Divided by 2 is... Oh, that's the problem. It's 298. Yeah, okay. 298 plus 3 is 301. Okay, so that's fine. I can do that mental math. What about for the real problem? Oh god. Oh god, oh fuck. Oh. I think a little bit more of those will distribute out if I use this, because right now we're getting floats. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. Wait, why did we end up with tuple? Oh, we didn't. It's just parenthesizing things. Okay, big ass string of things. Okay. Fortunately, it's not actually... It's not actually quadratic, and one of the sides is constant. So that actually makes it not bad to do this problem. And we can make the assumption that right val is constant. And then we can actually do the math. Yeah. Yeah, that seems fine. Because then it's literally just operations on this over and over and over. Yeah, okay, let's try that. Okay. Right val equals value root right. Assert is instance right val int. And actually what we can do is have this return int and get rid of this. And do that. We don't even need the assertion because we know it to be true. Because our types check that for us. Right? Okay, so we should have a value now. Root left. So be able to do stuff. For some reason, my Z3 answer is 1 larger than the correct answer. Any idea what could be the cause? Shouldn't happen. Unless there are 2 solutions. You'd have to show your code, otherwise I don't know. Cat24, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Okay, if we do ops root left, we get a star. And one of these should be an integer. It's a linear inequality, so there's exactly 1 solution. Yeah, I would expect that. Okay. Expr equals ops root left while not in expr do thing, and then expr equals ops something. Try value. Let's see. Assert not as instance expr int. Yeah, expr int. Rizkrut, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Right hand side equals expr try LHSS we have to invert the operator. Do music, hello. Okay. Right hand side is integer. Otherwise, oh, we would just do expr equals ops r LHS. Okay. Dude, this is just gonna make me laugh every single time. P op. P right hand side is 9. So in order to invert op, we need to, if op is equal to star, then right val / equals right hand side. We'll just keep doing this until we stop breakpointing. Op LHS. So inverting subtraction is interesting. We have right val is equal to number minus variable expression, and so we need to add, we need to subtract this from both sides, and then we need to multiply by -1. If op is equal to minus, then right val minus equals LHS, and then right value times equals -1. He's having fun? Yeah. It's a program. Of course I'm having fun. Penguin Master, welcome to the stream. You can cheese this with Senpai. In fact, I cheesed it with Z3, which I think is even more cheesy than Senpai. Notice me, Senpai. Notice me. Kill me. Okay, so we have right val is equal to expr slash value, right? Yes, we do. Okay, so elif op is equal to slash right val times equals right hand side. These are actually very easy. If it's addition, then we subtract. And if it's subtraction, yeah, these ones are easy. These ones kind of suck. Yeah, I have to think a little bit more about them. I like how you did that and immediately glossed over it. Yeah, we're gonna ignore the intrusive thoughts that are in my brain. Okay, so now we have right val is equal to 742 plus variable expression. So plus is actually very easy because it's commutative. Elif op is equal to plus right val minus equals left hand side. Actually, multiplication is easy as well because it is also commutative. Division, on the other hand, though, I hope we never get division because then we have to get into fraction land because we would have to 1 over it to invert the fraction and then multiply it by... Oh, actually, no, we don't. Because this is the same as 1 over right val is equal to var expr over 742, which then makes this 742 over right val. Okay, so if it's slash, then right val is equal to left hand side over right val. Raise assertion error unreachable. Unbreakable. Yeah. Fuck. Oh. Because, we need to do this one more time. feels dirty. Our loop ends when we look up humna. Let's go! Let's fucking go, baby! Yeah, it's the actual Eric. We have a celebrity in chat. The stupid part is I never installed Senpai before, so I had to look up installation stuff and switch to Conda. You trippin'? You can just pip install it. Both of them are pure lib. Imagine not doing it like the problem writer intended you to do, like this epic streamer's doing. Eric doesn't give a shit how you do it. Although, I don't know, the opinions are still out about the ChatGPT approach. Or the jury's still out about that. We haven't heard of Eric's official opinion on that. Just indent all your problems go away? This is a very cheesy way to terminate this loop. I mean, this is also a cheesy way to see whether it's the expression or not, but I'll take it. I use Windows, so it's different for me? No, it's not. Wow, it installed even faster than it did in Linux somehow. Oh, actually, it's still installing. Give it a sec. I thought it was done. It downloaded faster. Hello? Senpai is a big boy. That's the wrong one. Wow, that was fucking easy. You don't need con at all. Maybe Alexander will stop cheating, right? Are you running Ubuntu on a VM? Yes. JJMC, hello. Also, Ruthless, welcome to the stream. Python stuff a few years ago. I hadn't path stuff. And path. Didn't check that. Yeah, funny thing about this Penguin Master. There is one person in the Python core dev who is adamant that this is the wrong default setting. That adding it to the path it irreversibly breaks your system. And I've been checking this box for years, and I've never had a problem with it. So I don't know what their issue is with it. And they've never really stated what fucks up when you do this. But it's worked great for me. Now granted, I don't use Windows all that often to do Python development, but I cannot imagine the amount of wasted developer years of people, you know, not checking that box and then being like, where's my Python? But yeah. Nick Knight says, I did it with Z3, but then actually solved it. Same. My methodology is a little unorthodox, but it's cool. I make a few assumptions that one of the sides is constant. Oh, I lost my chat window. Come back, chat. What I did was find a path from root to human. That's kind of what I did. Yeah, that's what I did. Make a graph. dive through the graph. I just assumed it's always on the right hand side. I make some assumptions here, but yeah, works out great. Works out great. Okay, what was the joke that I missed? How do I find the joke? Eric said there's a joke in this one. Isn't it We're the Monkey? I don't know what the joke is. I did say it was a dumb joke just to curb the expectations. It's that the elephants realize you don't speak monkey and step in to interpret, but at no point to explain if or whether you can talk to elephants. Yeah. 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 Yeah, that's pretty good. Also that the elephants are like, no, 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 no. Let me tell you how to talk monkey. Okay. Actually solve part 2. I can show my dog how to do lots of stuff. My dog does not speak human. Yeah. Okay, I need to add the timing in for the last 2 days because I haven't done that. I probably didn't do it because my day 20s are pretty slow. So we're not going to run these a bunch of times, unlike what we usually do. You know, I'm gonna adjust this because it defaults to the input, so we're gonna get rid of that part. That way I can just do this, and then change the 3 to not a 3. And then we can do part 1. So we're gonna do this, that way I can actually copy paste it. Except even then I can't because reasons. That is going to be immortalized in my README forever. I hope one day to meet Alexandra. And timing for day 20 and 21. Imagine you, the elephants, and the monkeys all confidently making sounds at one another, somehow understanding emotions. Sparkling Dark Matter says, is Anthony fluent in Python? I mean, Python is ever changing, and it's not really, and it's a language, but it's also a set of libraries. But yes, we'll just say yes. That's probably the easiest way to say that. What are you? Oh, me mucking around with trying to figure out why things are forked. Okay, cool. Very cool. Is your GitHub handle Anthony Lee? No. You do this. Oh, yes, we were going to debug what is crit's problem. I used solver. I used optimize because I mean, they both work for this, but you don't need -R. That's the default. Oh god, you have no white space in here. Okay. Line not replace space with empty string. If n not in my vars n equals int n. My vars n. Okay, so you don't need to do this at all. You just leave that out. And you can just do this. Gross. This is a little bit weird, but shouldn't matter. Works fine for me. I mean, it's possible that because I rewrote your code to not have the weirdness that, let's try it without the rewrite. Yeah, it works fine for me. It works fine for me, he says, having replaced the code with completely different code. Pseudo Phantom, hello, hello. What library do you like with OAuth? I try and avoid OAuth as much as possible. I also don't really use a library for it. Grid Warrior says, if you're going to start a new website, what framework would you use? Probably Flask. Just because I know it really well. I bet is this doing some kind of integer division? Maybe. But they're integers. Shaz, hello, hello. Can you send me your input? What is crit? It works for me, says having replaced the code with completely different code. It's true. It's so true. Yeah, let me, this is how you should do this instead. You don't need to do it this way. Also, eval is spooky but clever, I guess. Also, I don't like this. This makes it harder, actually. But, as you can see, if you replace this code with the correct code, it works great. Yeah. Base model Honda. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. What a name. Oh, shit, how do I get the raw? Oh god, output go burr. My text editor doesn't do great with big pastes. Kind of intentionally. I think it looks better when it does it that way, but it could be faster about it. Okay, let's see what mine does first. I get the same value. Let's see what my rewritten version of yours gets. Did you mean abs? I absolutely did not mean abs. Silly edit distance code. Those aren't even close to each other. Oh, interesting. It is off by 1. So what if you use optimize instead of solver? You also want to always do this, otherwise it doesn't actually check anything for you. Yeah. That's the difference between solver and optimize. I think solver has float division, and optimize will keep it as an integer. Would be my guess. Epsilon says, how's your monkey math going? Of course, Python has an equation solver. It makes it a lot easier. I used Z3 to start. And then I wrote my own tree thingy thing. I didn't use SymPy or something else. But yeah, I've never used solver. I've always used optimize, and maybe this was originally why. But that's lost to the sands of time for me. But yeah, you're not crazy with its crit. It just does weird shit for reasons that I can't explain. But it's fine. I tried to use Wolfram Alpha, but they have a length limit. The thing is, do I still have a text document? No, I don't. I feel like mine wasn't that long of an expression. But yeah. Anyway, I guess the more you know. Don't use solver. Don't use solver if you have integers. Because it'll be off by 1 for no good reason. Actually adjusted this puzzle until a reasonably simplified output goes over Wolfram Alpha's length limit. That's kind of amazing. All right, and we'll leave a message for Alexandra. But that's gonna wrap us up for today. Yeah, let's go find someone to raid.